Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh wow, that red car cut off.
Well, look how old they are. What are... Go!
What the?
You're in a roundabout, lady. What the f are you doing?
Whoa, and they hit the curb?
Does she need to...
What are you doing?
Like, you go! It's a roundabout! Like, lady! What the f are you doing? Do not pass her, because she's gonna hit us.
Yeah, I don't...
She should not be driving a car.
That would go away. And that's what Stockdale meant when he spoke of extortion in violence. Play along, go along, or else. Nobody intimated they were.
Deadline. If your home's not sold at that price in 59 days, Adam will buy it. Get your offer in seconds at adammerrick.com.
Hi all, this is Chef Mark with Johnny's Italian Steakhouse inviting you to come in.
What are you doing? Oh my, you're an extra kind of special, aren't you?
Just back up!
Video protected.
We get it there when it gets expensive.
Shit.
Somebody's horny. Somebody's horny.
That's me.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. It is the bad day for shit drivers.
Jesus Christ.
Where are you going? What a dick.
Come on, I can't reach.
Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! Woo!
No, what all the idiots are out?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.